Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friend, in this video I will show you how to remove Gmail account from Android phone. So let's get started. Friend, to remove Gmail account from Android phone, first of all open phone setting, then scroll down and tap on user and accounts. After tap on user and accounts, now tap on Google. Select Google. Friend, now tap on Gmail. That Gmail you remove from your phone. I remove this Gmail account. Click on Gmail. Now tap on this two dots and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account. Remove account. Now again tap on remove account. Friend, after tap on remove account, the Gmail account will remove successfully from your phone. Friend, you can see Gmail account removed. Friend, if you find this video helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.